Hello friends, welcome to Food Street. Today I'm sharing my grandmother's secret chicken korma recipe. This recipe is a family favorite and is so easy and quick to make. I'm sure that once you try this flavorful korma recipe, it will become your family's favorite too. The first step is marinating the chicken. I've washed and strained one full chicken, which is approximately 1 kilogram of chicken. To this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoons salt, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. And mix this all well. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and mix all these ingredients into the chicken. I'll let the chicken marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour. In a heated pan, I'm going to add 1 cup of oil or ghee. To this, I'm going to add 4 cloves, 8 to 10 green cardamoms, 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick, 6 to 8 black peppercorns, and 2 bay leaves. I'm going to saute them for a few seconds on medium heat. Now I'll add the marinated chicken and stir fry for a few minutes on high flame. We'll keep the flame on medium-high. Now we'll cover the pan and let the chicken cook for 5 to 7 minutes till the masala is dried and the oil separates from the gravy. It's been about 7 minutes and our chicken has turned a lovely golden color. The masala has dried up and the oil has separated. At this point, I'll add 1 cup of yogurt and mix it into the chicken. Now I'll be adding almond paste to the chicken. To make the paste, I'm going to grind 1/4 cup of sliced almonds and make a powder. To this powder, I'll add a few tablespoons of water and make a paste, and then add this to the chicken. After mixing, I'm going to cover the pan and cook the chicken on medium flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. While our chicken is cooking, I'm going to prepare a special korma spice blend. In a grinder, I'm going to grind half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 6 to 7 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, half an inch cinnamon stick, 7 to 8 black peppercorns, and make a fine powder and put it aside. It's been about 8 minutes and I'm going to add 1 cup of fried onions. I'm gently crushing the onions with my hands and adding it to the chicken. I'm also adding about 1 tablespoon of sliced almonds to the chicken. I'm now going to add 1/3 teaspoon of the korma spice blend that we made to the chicken. I'm also going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of kevra water. You can add less or more of the kevra water according to your taste. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water to the chicken. Give it all a good mix and let it cook on low flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. It's been about 12 minutes and my kitchen is smelling amazing. The chicken has cooked and the gravy has thickened to a beautiful consistency. My grandma's secret recipe korma is ready. Garnish it with almonds and fresh green coriander and serve it with rice or naan. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, Allah Hafiz.